Alright guys, today we're going to install a Reolink wireless doorbell. Alright, so this doorbell, I have a Google Nest doorbell and it went bad. So I wanted to change it and I decided to go with the Reolink, and here it is. Nice and neat, you know. And this one has a PoE port where you could power it up by PoE, or you could do it by a 24-volt adapter. And next to that we have the door chime. This is what you plug inside the house. When you ring the bell, it chimes to that and you're ding dong, you know. So we're gonna scan this QR code, and this would allow us to download the Reolink app. Alright, if you have a Apple phone, it would take it to the App Store. You have to put your credentials in, and you can't see mine. You're too fast, you're too nosy. So you're gonna download the app. All right, once you download it, then of course it's gonna ask you if you want to allow any notifications. I would say yes. That way you know if somebody's at your door and if your bell is being wrong. All right, so here we're gonna create a login. Create a user login, and once you do that, then you're good to go. All right, so I'm removing the old Google Nest. It just stopped working one day, I don't know why. All right, and the reason why I chose the Reolink, guys, doorbell is because it has the ONVIF video format where I can link it to my existing camera system, which is a UniView. All right, it doesn't matter what camera system you have. You could have a Hikvision, you know, you can have Amcrest, you could have whatever. As long as it supports ONVIF, you can make this doorbell work. So all your recording and storage will be stored locally on your camera system. All right, so now we're going to go back to the app and we're going to add this camera. We scan the QR code which is behind the camera to add it, and we're going to select the configure Wi-Fi feature. That's the one in the middle, and we're just going to go through the prompt. All right, now I had problems installing this at first. Alright, this is where it's asking for your Wi-Fi information. Again, you guys too nosy. You ain't gonna know my password, so y'all can't come on my network, okay? Alright, once you put your password in, it's gonna give you that QR code, and you have to hold it in front of the camera. So on your phone, you're gonna have the QR code, and you hold it in front of the camera and scan. I was having problems with that. Come to find out, the sun from outside, the glare and all of that, the camera wasn't seeing the QR code properly, so I had to install it inside the house where it's better lighting, and the doorbell camera was able to see the QR code from the phone, and then that's how we link it up. But as you could see, we were having issues, and I'll show you all my problems that was happening there. It failed, and you saw that. But of course, this is what we do, so we have to figure it out. See? Fail. So we're doing it again. And if you look in the video, you will see where it shows you how you hold the phone in front of the camera, in front of the doorbell. Look, see the video? Look. Just hold it in front of the camera. We have to have proper lighting for the doorbell to see it, and boom, once you do that, it comes right up. All right, so now I have to link it to my NVR, my camera system, so it will record on my camera system. So now we have to go back into the app and get the IP address of the doorbell. So we got the IP address. All right, but the next thing we have to do, we have to enable some protocols, because the camera by default, you can't log into the browser. So you have to enable the protocols. You have to enable HTTP, and then you have to enable RTSP, and then enable ONVIF. If you don't enable those within the app after you install the camera, you cannot link it to your NVR system, and you can't even go to the camera using your computer. So here I am. I got my computer up. I put the IP address, which is ending in 99, and you log into the camera with the credentials that you use when you created the app. All right. And here we are. We're able to log into the camera on the computer. So now I'm going to log into my NVR and then link that IP address to my NVR. That way we can record everything to my local system. So here we are inside. This is a UniView NVR system, and I'm going to search for the IP. It pops up automatically. We got it. That's the IP address to the doorbell. So we're just going to click it, and we should go to modify. All right. I went somewhere else, but we should go modify. Click the camera, go to modify. When you go to modify, make sure you select ONVIF and then put the password in for the doorbell. And then that's it. Now we're able to go to the UniView app on my phone, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So putting up the UniView app, and you too nosy, guys. All right, so that's the doorbell. It's now on my UniView app, and now everything is being recorded locally. I don't have to use a SIM card, a memory card, or nothing like that. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. I got you, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, everything. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.